Happy Friday, everybody. Today we're going to talk a little bit about CharityCAN donor screening. What we have up in front of us right now is the results of a donor screening example output file. Now, these are all fake names and fake numbers, so you don't have to worry about anything confidentiality-wise. But let's go through the sheet so you can kind of see what kind of data you can expect to get back when you do donor screening with CharityCAN. Now, the first few columns are all things that you're going to provide to us. Name, address, postal code, and you may also probably want to use a unique ID for each constituent record. It'll make it easier to map it back to your donor management system in the future. Now, here's the cool stuff. What we're going to tell you is the person on a charity board? Are they on the board of a private foundation? Is it a public foundation? Are they on a company board? Do they have a position at that company? Are they a named executive officer? That is. Do we have a Canadian who's who biography for them? That's a great flag. That means they're super important or influential or both. This is another amazing flag, inner circle. That's if we're able to use our relationship map grid to connect that person back to your organization. No one else is doing this when it comes to donor screening. Then we're going to tell you if the person has a public sector job, what their salary was for that public sector job. We'll count up their political giving, give you an amount of gifts and a total dollar figure. We'll do the same thing with their charitable giving through controlled foundations. We'll break that giving up into education, healthcare, the arts, and social services. Then we'll repeat all the same data again for the person's partner, if that's how you want to analyze your constituent records. But this is all just the same stuff again for the person's partner. So let's get through all that and get to the new and interesting stuff at the end here. Then we'll give you their estimated household net worth, estimated household annual income. Then we do some calculations to start trying to determine their giving capacity. And at the end, we come up with our predictive average 5-year capacity for that donor. Then we also give you a capacity rating out of 4 and an affinity rating out of 4. Once you do some donor screening with CharityCAN, if you're at a loss about where to go next with your major gifts program, I would recommend just sorting these columns by sorting capacity by 4 and sorting affinity by 4 and going from there. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just drop us an email at info@charitycan.ca. Have a great weekend, everyone.